In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add a Zoom meeting to your Wix event. This process might just be simpler than you think. So, let's dive right in. First thing off, you'll want to navigate to your Wix dashboard. Look for an option that says Events. This is where all your Wix events will be listed. Once here, you need to locate the specific event you would like to add a Zoom meeting to. You may be hosting multiple events, so make sure you choose the right one to avoid any mix-ups later on. With your event selected, the next step is to find and click on the Features tab. This tab is where Wix allows you to add additional functionalities to your event. Here, you are specifically looking for the option that says Video Conferencing. Go ahead and click on that. You should see another option that says Set up Video Conferencing. Hold on to your horses, because here's where the Zoom part comes in. Once you click on Set up Video Conferencing, you will be presented with multiple video conferencing platforms to choose from. Out of the selections you see, choose Zoom. Upon doing this, click on Continue to proceed to the next part of the process. If this is your first time setting up Zoom on your Wix event, you'll need to connect your Zoom account to your Wix account. Don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Just follow the on-screen instructions carefully, and you should have your Zoom account connected in no time. The final step in the process is obtaining a Zoom meeting link. This is the link you will share with participants so that they can join your Zoom meeting. Once your Zoom account is successfully connected to Wix, you will have the option to copy the Zoom meeting link. Go ahead and do that. You have now successfully added a Zoom meeting to your Wix event. As you can see, adding a Zoom meeting to a Wix event involves a few simple steps. It integrates both platforms seamlessly to provide an easy way for people to join your events online via Zoom. I hope this was useful to you and adds value to your Wix event experiences. Thank you for joining us today, and see you in the next tutorial.